It's true. So many of the categories which Amazon offers on the Kindle Direct Publishing KDP dashboard hinder the selling of Kindle eBooks. This is because the categories on the Kindle Direct Publishing dashboard do not usually match the categories in the Kindle store, and buyers rely only on the Kindle store categories to find and buy Kindle eBooks. The real problem is this. Even when your niche market is hot, the title, the description, and the cover of your Kindle eBooks are commendable, and the quality of your content is superb, but your Kindle ebook is categorized into wrong Kindle store categories, that Kindle ebook on which you have labored to write or outsourced, perhaps paying a lot, is doomed already. As you know, Amazon doesn't teach you what you need to do to get your Kindle eBooks into the right or the best Kindle store categories. And with no right guidance within your reach, your Kindle ebook quickly turns to a symbol of wasted time and a subject of so feeble sales, if at all. Quite frustrating. Hi, my name is Joe Oye. One of the things I do relating to Amazon publishing, that is for many clients and myself, is getting Kindle eBooks categorized so that they are really optimized to sell. I call that category fitness for Kindle eBooks. Now, I have this as a course for you. This course is guaranteed to increase the sales of your Kindle ebook so you earn a good return on the time, money, and energy that you invested in writing and publishing your Kindle ebook. I will teach you how to get your ebook in front of buyers ahead of competing authors. I will do that by teaching you the direct way of landing your Kindle ebooks in the categories to which they should belong. By what you will learn, you will be able to redirect your miscategorized Kindle ebook to the right categories. Rather than begging Kindle support team again and again and waiting unnecessarily for recategorization of your Kindle ebook, you should be able to categorize your Kindle ebook the best way in less than 5 minutes and at any time. I will teach you this in a step-by-step way because it's an important channel to dominate your niche on Amazon and to rank to the top of the categories for your Kindle ebooks. In this course, you will discover how to use Kindle Publishing Dashboard to select the best 2 categories to place your Kindle ebook in front of buyers. Get the selection right. Get the sales on right away. Get it wrong and your ebook gathers e-dust on the Kindle store shelves. You will further discover how to dodge competitive categories and take advantage of having more buyers so that looking at your bank account balance brings smiles to your face all the time. You will also discover how to find hidden Kindle store categories and use them as an edge over the competing authors. Many authors have not even known that Amazon recently added a lot of new Kindle store categories. What an opportunity to top rank your Kindle ebooks in new categories. The secret of all this lies in using Amazon taxonomy to discover categories that not lots of authors and publishers have occupied with their ebooks, so that your ebook is the choice that buyers quickly see in your chosen categories. Still skeptical? Commenting comments from my past clients or training range from: the trick made me relaxed, to I wish I knew this since the year 2008. Remember, Udemy offers a 30-day no questions asked guarantee, but better positioning of your Kindle ebooks and all other benefits that you will gain from this will delight you so much that you won't need to ask for a refund. Kindle publishing has exploded and Amazon is set to get it much bigger. Millions of people are accessing and reading contents on Kindle and other devices now. More millions buy more reading devices and more millions want more Kindle ebooks. Now, let us go on to the next lecture.